Hello children, you're still at Den of Knowledge e-learning, your favorite hub of learning. Today we'll be looking at Christian Religious Studies Basic 3 and our topic is showing hospitality. Remember the last time we sang a very wonderful song. Can you still remember that song? Love your neighbor. Okay, I'm not going to sing that song. I believe you heard when I sang it. And I believe you also practiced unselfish love. Okay, today we want to talk about showing hospitality. What do we mean by the word hospitality? The word hospitality simply means showing friendly and generous attitude towards somebody. Showing friendly and generous attitude towards somebody. Remember, you cannot show hospitality if you don't have love, especially unselfish love. Okay, without wasting time, we will take some illustrations from the Bible of people who showed hospitality so that we can also take a leaf from them and know how we can show hospitality to our neighbors and people around us. First, we'll look at the Good Samaritan. If you read the book of Luke, chapter 10, from verse 30 to 37, the Good Samaritan. There was a man who was moving from Jerusalem to Jericho. On his way, he was attacked by a gang of robbers. They beat him and made away with everything he had. The man was lying helplessly on the road, almost dead. Do you know what happened? A priest passed by, said, Tofiakwa, let me run before they will think I am the one that did this to him. A Levite passed and said, no, I cannot go close to him so that they don't accuse me of what I did not do. Nobody was willing to help him. The man was just so helpless, dying, until this man, a Samaritan, as he was walking by, he felt pity for the man. Immediately he came down from his donkey, went straight to the man, tended to his wounds. What do I mean by that? In your physical and health education, I believe you must have heard of first aid. The first treatment you give before you take the person to the hospital or before you call for medical attention. He had to give this first treatment and then saddled his donkey and placed this man on his donkey. So while the donkey was carrying the injured man, this Good Samaritan was walking, dragging the donkey until he finally brought him to an inn and then gave an order to the innkeeper and said, take care of him. Whatever bill it is, let it be on me. When I come back, I will pay. Did you see that good deed? That is showing hospitality. As a result of what? Unselfish love. Another instance is the widow of Zarephath. The widow of Zarephath. If you read the book of 1 Kings chapter 17 from verse 18 to 16, what happened? In the land of Zarephath, there was hunger everywhere. God said to one of his prophets, I believe most of you must have heard of Prophet Elijah, go to the land of Zarephath. Elijah entered into the land of Zarephath and met with a widow. A widow is somebody whose husband is dead. She had nothing but little food, the one that she and her child will eat and then await the hand of death. As she said to Elijah, Elijah gave an order, go, prepare something, let's eat. The woman gently and obediently did as the prophet of God said. After preparing it, she brought it out and both ate. And after eating, do you know what happened? The jar of oil in the woman's house never ran dry. Did you see the effect of hospitality? So when you show hospitality to people, you will also receive reward. You will never lack, because givers never lack. So don't keep that food to yourself. Share with somebody that doesn't have. Don't keep those goodies to yourself. Share with people that don't have. Then finally, we will look at Abraham and the strangers. If you read the book of Genesis chapter 18 from verse 1 to 21, and Genesis chapter 19 from verse 1 to 13, what happened? Remember, as at the time Abraham welcomed the strangers, Abraham had no son. He was just sitting in the cool of the evening, relaxing his head, when he suddenly saw some men passing by. He ran to them and bowed and said, "My Lord, why don't you come? Let me wash your feet and make you some meal." The strangers were so happy. Do you know that sometimes when you show hospitality to people, you are indirectly showing hospitality to angels? Very good. Be very careful the way you treat people, because you don't know who they are. The good you do today will end up bringing you out tomorrow and lifting you up. That is why hospitality is important. When Abraham welcomed these people, he ordered the servants and the wife immediately, "Go, prepare something for these people to eat." That was when they said to Abraham, "By this time next year, we will come back to you and you will have a son." And today, are we not saying, "Abraham's blessings are mine. Abraham's blessings are mine. I am blessed in the morning, I am blessed in the evening. Abraham's blessings are mine." It is because of his hospitality. So your blessings can also be the blessing of your generation if you can show hospitality. Remember, there are reasons we show hospitality. One, to save life, and secondly, to show love. I hope with this lesson you'll be able to show hospitality to people around you, that the name of God will be glorified in your life. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.